Hi friends and scholars, it's your old pal Mrs. McGeehan here. I'm providing this short video on how to format your papers using MLA formatting so that you can reference it anytime you need to. You are going to want to follow these few short steps before submitting any final paper for this class. So we'll go ahead and get started and I'll show you how to do this. When you first open your Word document, you're going to want to hit Control A, which will select all in your Word document. If you've already typed your paper, then this will highlight all of the text in your document. I'm starting with a fresh sheet, so you can just see that it turns just nothing gray, kind of. Then you'll come up here and make sure that your font is set to Times New Roman. And you also want your font to be set at 12 point. Then you'll come over here to where you see the drop down next to paragraph, and you'll open up paragraph settings. And you're going to want to make sure that the spacing before is set to 0 point and the spacing after is set to 0 as well. Then you'll come to the right and underneath line spacing, you'll select double, which will double space your entire document. And before you close this window, you're going to want to take the extra step to make sure that you check the box next to don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. And this will ensure that your entire document is truly only double spaced, and it'll get rid of any additional spacing between paragraphs that sometimes is the default setting. Once you've done all that, you can click OK and out of that window. Then you'll want to add your MLA header, which is your name, your instructor's name, your course title, and your submission deadline, whatever that might be. Once you have your heading, double check to make sure that your date is also in MLA formatting and adheres to MLA formatting guidelines. You always want your date to read the day and then the month and then the year without any punctuation. When you have checked that, you can hit enter once, and you'll want to center your text and enter a title. So if you've already finished your paper, you might be inserting a catchy yet appropriate title here. If you're just starting out and you really don't know what the title of your paper is going to be yet, then I always just recommend putting a placeholder title there. The final step I would like you to take is to go up to Insert, the Insert tab at the top, and you'll come over here to where it says page number, and you'll select, or you'll hover over the top of page option and then come down and select the plain number 3. And you'll go ahead and enter your last name and a space in front of that number. And then I always highlight all of that. And again, come over and make sure that that too is set to Times New Roman 12 point font. One final step you might want to take, although this is normally the default setting in Word documents, but you might want to just double check, is to come up here to Layout and come over here to Margins. And just be sure that your margins are indeed set to 1-inch margins all around. And you can see here that mine are already set to 1 inch on all sides. So once you've double checked that, you are ready to begin writing. So good luck and happy writing.